Hi everyone. Today our topic is clear gels and manufacturing procedure, evaluation and packaging. Gels are semi-solid dosage form in that dispersion of small or large molecules in aqueous liquid vehicle. They produce jelly-like consistency by the addition of a gelling agent. Gels are formed by using synthetic polymers such as carbomer 934 and cellulose such as hydroxypropyl cellulose and hydroxypropyl methyl cellulose and trachagant, pectin, agar. Natural gums are used in the formulation of gels. As per NF, six polymers are used for gel formulation. Those are following: carbomers 910, carbomer 934, carbomer 934P, carbomer 940, and carbomer 941 and carbomer 1342. Carbomer 940 produce highest viscosity between 4000 and 6000 centipoises in 0.5% aqueous solution. Next, classification of gels. In this classification, divided three types. First one is hydrogels, second one is xerogels, and third one is organogels. Next, hydrogels. The hydrogel is a network of polymer chains that are hydrophilic, sometimes found as a colloidal gel in which water is the dispersion medium. Hydrogels are highly absorbent. They can contain over 90% water. Natural or synthetic polymeric networks. Hydrogels also possesses a degree of flexibility very similar to natural tissue due to their significant water content. Common ingredients include polyvinyl alcohol, sodium polycrylate, acrylate polymers. These hydrogels uses are as environment sensitivity detector and sustained release DDS, contact lenses and ECG, medical electrodes and glue. Next one is xerogels, open network formed by the removal of all swelling agents from a gel. Xerogels usually retain highly porosity between 15 to 50 percentage and enormous surface area between 150 to 900 meter square per gram, along with very small pore size between 1 to 10 nanometers. When solvent removal occurs under supercritical conditions, the network does not shrink and highly porous. Low density material known as an aerosol is produced. Next one, organogels. An organogel is a non-crystalline, non-glassy, thermo-reversible means thermoplastic solid material composed of a liquid organic phase entrapped in a three-dimensionally cross-linked network. The liquid can be, for example, an organic solvent, mineral oil, or vegetable oil. These systems are based on self-assembly of the structuring molecules. Before we are going to discuss method of formulation, I will show one video. This video will how to make water gel base. You can understood easily how to do gel bases. So you can follow this video. You can easily understood.
Preparing all the ingredient, firstly we need EDTA powder, glycerin USP, carbomer powder, TAA solution to neutralize the gel, paraben-free preservative, and distilled water, and also some tool to make the gel. Adding the distilled water at first, make sure you use distilled water, not tap water or mineral water. Next, I'm gonna add the EDTA powder. EDTA powder used to remove any lime scale and to purify the water. This is a good preparation for you before making a DIY cosmetic skincare. For the next ingredient, I'm gonna add the glycerin UXB. It's functioning as humectant, moisturizing, skin softening, skin repairing, and skin barrier from drying. The application is for all kind of cosmetic product, include skincare, hair care, and body care. It's colorless, clear, viscous liquid, and it's natural too. Next ingredient is carbomer powder. It's functioning as a clear gel thickener, emulsion stabilizer, and suspending agent. The application is for hair gel and other gel product like serum, lotion, cream, and others. Carbomer powder is safe to be used on skin. It is not dangerous or toxic or can cause carcinogenic. It is also very acidic, which means the pH range is below than 5. Just to make a clear gel, we need to neutralize the carbomer. We need the range pH around 7 or 7 to 5 just to thicken up the gel. I'm gonna check the pH range of this solution. It shows that the pH is below than 5, which is acidic. Just to speed up the acceleration process, we need the hand mix tool. Stir well and leave for a few minutes just to remove any lumps and bubble. Next ingredient is triethanolamine or TEA. It's functioning as a pH adjuster, normally used to increase the pH level. It's used to all kind of personal care and toiletries product. It's look like the formulation is getting thickened up, which is a good sign. And the pH also might be increased. Just keep on stir. So this is the basic of how to make the gel, the clear water gel for all kind of purpose. This formulation is industrial formulation. It's very easy. Carbogel, it's functioning as a easy use water-based gel. It's a base for all kind of leave-on product. It's non-sticky feel, easy absorption, mixed well with other ingredients. The applications are for acne gel, serum product, gel mask, hair gel, cream, lotion, and other personal care products. For the last ingredient, we need to preserve the gel by using the paraben preservative and keep on stir well. There you go. We have the clear gel. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Don't forget to subscribe and follow my channel. Just write down any comments below. Have a nice making formulation, guys. Take care, bye bye.
Next, method of formulation. In this method of formulation, we have three type of methods. First one is fusion method, second one is cold method, and third one is dispersion method. First method is fusion method. In this method, various vaccine materials employed as gellent in non-polar media. Drug was added when vaccine materials melted by fusion, stirred slowly until uniform gel formed. We go on next method, cold method. This method, water was cooled to 4 to 10 degrees centigrade and placed it in mixing container. Gelling agent was slowly added and agitating until solution is complete. Maintain temperature below 10 degrees centigrade. Drug was added in solution form slowly with gentle mixing. Immediately transferred to container, allow to warm to RT, where upon liquid becomes clear gel. Next method is dispersion method. In this method, gelling agent was dispersed in water with stirring at 1200 rpm for 30 minutes. Drug was dissolved in non-aqueous solvent with preservative. This solution was added in apogel with continuous stirring. Next, evaluation tests for semi-solid dosage form, that are content uniformity of drug, penetration, rate of release of medicament, absorption of medicament into bloodstream, and irritant effect. Here we will check how to work penetration. A weight quantity of ointment is rubbed over skin for given period of time. Collect unabsorbed ointment from the skin and weighed. The difference in weights represents the amount of. Next we will check rate of release of medicament. This test performed on the surface of nutrient agar. If the medicament is bactericidal, the agar plate is previously seeded with suitable organism. After a suitable period of incubation, the zone of inhibition is measured and correlated with the rate of release. In next class, we will discuss suppositories. In suppositories, we covered ideal requirements of bases, different types of bases, displacement value, manufacturing procedure, and finally packaging and evaluation. Thank you so much.